This 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee is brought to you by Twins, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Jeep is powered by C.D.J.R 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, regular unleaded V6 3.6 L220 engine, and has 77,741 miles. Adventure awaits. Get behind the wheel of a 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee today. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.